It's turbo turnout time. The Black Tiger live cast is starting now. It's turbo turnout time. The Black Tiger Miner live cast is starting now. It's turbo turnout time. The Black Tiger Miner live cast is starting now.
Good morning, YouTube. It's your main man, BTM. Well, good morning, YouTube and X. It's your main man, BTM here, bringing you back to the Black Tiger Miner YouTube channel. So just trying to get set up. Why is my picture so grainy? What the freak is going on? So let's see here. I'm trying to check the sound. Microphone check. Check. Testing. See here. Is the sound working? Can you hear me? Oh, okay. Okay, there we go. We live. Just making sure things are working. So now, one more check. Where is this? Just trying to see what's going on with the camera. We'll keep it moving and check the camera out later. So this is your main man, BTM here. Oh, that might have something to do with it. Back at the Black Tiger Miner YouTube channel and the turbo turn up time. Let's go. Turbo. So let's see what we got here. Turbo. Let's go. How you doing? Good Art. How you doing? Happy Friday. Jag 17. What's up? We hear you. Thank you for that update. Sammy, happy Friday. What's going on? What's up, Hawks? Good morning. RP turbo turn up time. Let's go. Happy Friday, Unc. Let's go, Rosa. So let's see here. Double check, triple check. Okay, so we are live. So let's get to it. Currently, see, where do we want to start? Holders. Currently, the holders is 45,192. What is up? What's up, Tiger? It's your boy, Turbo to the Moon. What's going on, Cool 32 the Gamer? Current price of Turbo is, I thought I had 9009. Looks like market cap is up 590, up 0.62%, 4% today, 11% last 7 days. I was looking for a bigger all those toads and frogs in the woods. We're a perfect fit for Robinhood. You are right. And I thought I had coin ranking up. Maybe I closed that by accident. But let me double check. What is this? Coinranking.com. That's weird. Excuse me. So yeah, something's weird with this camera. I think the camera setting is not right here. Let me check this real quick. 1 second. It is biotech. Why is this not? That is weird. I don't know. Seems to be looking all right on this side. So maybe there's something in the settings on. Oh yeah, these guys. Let me see if this works. Cross your fingers. So let me play around with the camera. What's the odds it actually gets listed? Because we know Coinbase has perp for Turbo. Had a perp. Turbo is going to the hood. I see why this dang camera's not. Oh, let me see. Why is this acting weird today? Come on, you can do it. So let's see here. Looking at let's see here. Okay, we live. We are live. All right, forget the camera. We're doing it all live. Forget the camera. Okay, so this is coin ranking. Mudan's up. Where's Turbo? Turbo is here. 622.14. Looks like SP 6900 pushed up to 700. It's like every time we get close, they keep going up, right? We're doing it all live. I don't understand why this is so hard for Turbo to get back into the top 15, right? The top 15 was like 600 million yesterday. We get to 622 million. Everything went up. Peanut the Squirrel is 1.3 billion. Mog is 1.3 billion. Bonk is 1.7 billion. Baby Dodge Coin is 1.9 billion. When is Turbo gonna get to at least 800, 900 billion? I'm sorry, tripping. 800, 900 million, right? What is going on? What is holding Turbo back? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit your main man up with the super chat. What is going on with the super chats? Does the super chat button even work? I need for you to check and see and let me know because I ain't getting no super chats. I'm just trying to rebuild the community and keep the lights on Turbo Toad Central here. Let's go. It's turbo turn up time. Remember, turbo, turbo, turbo. Shout out to the Turbo Revolution, the Turbo Toad Army, the Turbo Toad Warriors, and Turbo Turn Up. Let's go. So I finally got everything set up, right? I think we're finally live. I got the monitor set up. I don't have to look across the room to see things. And I got my screen set up. I got my camera. What is going on? Turbinator. Thanks for the intro. You saw the intro video. I'm still trying to get that ironed out, but that was made by my main man here, Turbinator. So let's see here. Where were we? Yeah, why is Cats in the Dog World 800 million? Who the heck is investing in Cats in a Dog's World? And it is 009 as Turbo is 009, right? I understand the mathematics here. This is 00917. This is 0093. So what is that? 0.00014 is worth 200 million market cap. I don't know, guys. I don't. Hopefully, Turbo can push on up to 800 and at least get in the top 15. I don't know what's holding it back. I don't understand what is going on. 45,000 holders. Current price is 009. We'll look at the chart in a minute. So this is on Inside Bitcoin. This is yesterday. Top crypto gainers today. Turbo, Bitcoin, Gold, Telecom, Ethereum Classic. Number one, which indicates there's several factors used to analyze the tokens to determine a potential. We examine key metrics such as liquidity, trading volume, and the volume to market cap ratio, which indicates the token's market activity and ability to handle significant trades. We also look at the 4-day relative strength RSI to assess whether the token is overbought, oversold, or neutral, helping to gain market sentiment. Additionally, we're determining the token's 200-day moving average SMA for long-term trends and examine volatility to gauge risks. By analyzing these parameters, you'll get a clear picture of which tokens are primed for short and long-term gains. So, number one is Turbo. Turbo steals the show today as a top crypto gainer, blending creativity, community, and explosive performance into one fascinating package. Born from an audacious AI experiment with just $69, Turbo Toad is a testament to the potential of ChatGPT 4 and its ability to inspire and innovate. What started as a bold challenge has grown to a thriving cryptocurrency fueled by a passionate community and a vision to redefine meme coins. So shout out to the Turbo Toad communities, all you guys out there on X. Shout out to the Turbo Revolution, the Turbo Toad Army, the Turbo Toad Warriors, and Turbo Turn Up. Let's go. Yeah, it's because of you guys. We are here and you guys are keeping the Turbo Toad Central lights on, right? All your postings, your memes, your videos, your comments, your like, sharing, and subscribing is what is pushing the Turbo Toad community forward. Let's go. Determined Resilience United Turbo is preparing for an amazing December. Buckle up and together let's ride into 2025 stronger than ever. Turbo Toad, Turbo Revolution. I told you guys, December was going to be the turning point. And as you can see, things are just starting to get going. We're not even fully there yet, right? We got on, well, we had the announcement for Coinbase. We're not even on Coinbase yet, but we got the announcement. And I'm pretty sure there's going to be a serious pop. Looking beyond short term, Turbo's performance is nothing short of phenomenal, trading an astonishing 5,110% above the 200-day SMA and boasting a jaw-dropping 4,525 annual price increase. It has outpaced 95% of the top 100 crypto assets. Low 30-day volatility by 9% adds to a layer of appeal for those seeking to grow with manageable risk. So whether you're a meme coin enthusiast or savvy long-term investor, I would say a bit of both. Turbo is hard to ignore. Its rise from AI-guided experiment to a crypto powerhouse showcases the perfect storm of innovation, community, and spirit, and consistent performance. So shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Turbo Toad. Shout out to the Toad itself. So now to business. Robinhood adds tokens to its platform. This is November. I'm looking at November. Added XRP and Pepe. Coinbase added Pepe. Who cares? From on Wednesday. So it is a meme coin. I was looking for Robinhood. This is talking about Coinbase, and we already know that. So we'll close out that article, and we'll close out this article, and we'll get on over to X. But let me see if I can open Trader View real quick before we. Let me see Trader View. I updated my computer because my other computer died. Right, it literally died. I put a freaking virus software on there and came up with a blue screen of death. So now I'm doing it all live from a laptop. So shout out to, why is this always freaking, see here. Let's go back to, I guess it is. Let's see what Binance shows. Oh, we'll stick with, is this? Yeah, I guess we'll stick with OKX. Let me see here. 15-minute chart. It looks like this is our resistance line, 009. And what is this? See if we can make this shorter. So we're looking to get to 001, which might happen today. Why is I'm looking for RSI, the RSI indicator. I'm going to log in and put the freaking RSI indicator on here. Okay, so we'll come back to this because looks like there's a bit of setup. Looks like we're building volume. And I would like to have my RSI indicator, but I'll come back to that in a second. Let's go to Twitter and see what's happening here. See. Shout out to the Turbo Toad Warriors. This is frozen for some reason. Okay, back to Twitter. I think we froze up. Let's see here what we got. What is going on? Let's not worry about getting on Coinbase before Robinhood. Let's worry. What? Let's worry about us getting on Coinbase before Robinhood. Yeah, actually, that was just an announcement. And I was actually wondering how high we can get. We can go day of us getting listed on Coinbase. I don't know, but I think there's going to be a significant pump when the Coinbase list. So let's get to Twitter. Finally, we have unfrozen. Shout out to Brian. I have a good feeling about Turbo. The consolidation period is over and we're about to skyrocket. Start loading those bags. This is Screaming Toady. Turbo updated listing. Spot listing is available on Bit4Me. Okay, shout out to Bit4Me. Lodi Toady, Fortnite Battle Royale. And I've seen some Fortnite postings. Are you saying the character is on Fortnite? I'm not sure. It's a lot of news coming in lately, so I'm just trying to keep up. And the word is from the business guys, you're going to see a lot of announcements this month. They're in a lot of meetings. They're talking to a lot of people. Everybody wants to be part of the Turbo Toad revolution, the Turbo Toad community, and the Turbo Toad army. So diamond hand, guys, and continue to hold because things are about to turn all the way up for the Turbo Toad token. We are there. Mama, we made it. December is heating up. Shout out to the Roaring Toady, the preparation for all at full throttle. Have you followed the breadcrumbs within the Turbo community? Are you on the trail of the Big Bang? Do you think you got the solution? Then trust me, you have no idea what's coming. Shout out to Roaring Toady. This is the actual Turbo Toad token. Beware of scammers. And he is correct. since things are starting to run, keep an eye out, guys, because things are going to get crazy, right? Things are going to get weird. There's going to be a lot of scammers popping up trying to get a piece of the Turbo Toad community. So make sure you are aware. Fake Turbo airdrops and publishing sites are targeting our community. Stay safe following these tips. Verify announcements via Turbo Toad token. You can also send me a message or send me a DM, and we'll check it out for you guys before investing or sending any of your money or clicking on any links. Avoid links like turboclaims.net. Report and block scam accounts. The Turbo Toad community is very vigilant. We're watching out to keep you guys safe. If you see anything, you hear anything, let us know and we'll investigate it. Before you click on the link and send your money and lose your turbo or invest in any scamish activities, check with us first, because we are here to help you rebuild the community, guys. We're trying to keep you safe and keep the Turbo Toad community pumping. What is up? Screaming Toad. LFT focus on Robinhood and Gemini. Let's go. So continue to, I guess, raid Twitter and let people know Robinhood is up next. Mog went live from Roadmap in 3 days. I expect the same. That would be by Monday. I was thinking today, but there was no announcement today. Also, Extreme Car Care is traveling. He asked me this morning about he asked me this morning about the big announcement, and I got my days wrong. It's next Friday, not this Friday. Or maybe there's some red tape or more information coming down, but the announcement is going to be next Friday, not today. Sorry for the confusion. Turbo community. One day, Toad dreams of his own land, a place where possibilities are limitless and innovation thrives. What if that dream isn't that far? I would definitely I don't know about this whole Wicked setup, right? If you've seen the movie Wicked, this is Wicked, right? This is really, I don't know about this whole cottage by the lake thing, but definitely would like, I like this one better, actually. This is more my speed. Let's build a limitless kingdom. Let's evaluate with the Toad. I like this more than the other one. Let me know what you guys think. Ultra Tech or Wicked. Crypto Insights. Turbo sees 45,000 holders. Wallets new milestone. Congratulate Turbo family. Keep building. Just trying to rebuild that community. Go ahead and hit your boy up with the super chats and help me keep the lights on at the Turbo Toad Central. We're here trying to make the community safe for you guys so you don't get scammed and come running back to us about bad links or missing information. Now that Ethereum has hit 4K, Turbo will go up no matter what. Ethereum's at 4K? I know I should have kept my Ethereum. I need to get back into that, actually. Are you hyped for what's coming? December might just be a turn into hot events capable of making dreams come true. Crank up the sound. There's sound here?
Snow from the sky, lights that gleam. The best time for games, it's Christmas, it seems. Green candles rising, pointing to the stars. Turbo season's upon us, we'll soar so far. Turbo girls at full force, artists shine so bright. Meme landscape in full bloom, we're hitting the heights. The community's louder than ever, we'll reach our aims. The roaring Tony roars and we roar with for this fame. Turbo, ho, 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 ho. Santa Turbo brings the bag of gains. Turbo, ho, 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 ho. Together we're an unstoppable chain. On Coinbase's roadmap, that's our big win. Making Christmas for all, turning dreams into gold within. Let the Christmas bells ring loud and clear. So Bybit and Robinhood join the turbo cheer. The bullish time is coming, so let's go with full turbo power. Santa's on board, our dream will flower. The magic of Christmas.
Okay, shout out to Roaring Toady in that video. You can watch the whole video on the Black Tiger Miner Twitter page. You are right. Ethereum is about to go crazy. I wish I would have kept my Ethereum. Either way, Turbo Toad, the king of the bull run, Coinbase assets. And like I was saying, what is this? Keep in mind, guys, all these listings or all these exchanges that have Turbo are preparing for Turbo to do something, right? They're not just listing it because they have nothing else to do or because they're bored or because they think it's a good idea. They know something we know, but everybody else doesn't know. There's going to be a massive push for people to buy Turbo, right? Once the word hits the street and your mom's sister's boyfriend's barber is selling Turbo Toad t-shirts, right? There's going to be a massive look. There's going to be a push up. Everybody, mom's going to be looking for it. That's why these exchanges are already listing Turbo, right? So this is Don't Fade the Turbo Toad. Shout out to Tony V. Black Sheep Harsha. Countdowns ticking, though Coinbase was the highlight of December. Think again. I think we just checked that out. Actually, this is AI Science. Sci. This is your last chance to get Turbo before officially listed on Coinbase. Turbo is about to change lives, and yours could be one of them. Turbo community owned by a limited, fully circulating supply, and has the absolute best community in crypto. Join us. Join the army. Top highlight, meme coins, social engagements. Let's see if we can make this bigger. We can. Turbo is 474K social engagements. I need to start looking at this, whatever this crypto insights is, so we can track that as well. Add something to add another shrimp to the Barbie. Robinhood and Turbo. Nice. Turbo closes above the systemic triangle. Beautiful. Shout out to Crypto Dose. Turbo stage day 2 of posting Robinhood Turbo app spot listings. I was going to use this as a thumbnail, but I picked another one up. Turbo is ready to burn them all down. Burn them all down because we're doing it all live. Shout out to Black Widow Phantom. Thanks for that posting yesterday. Appreciate that, my guy. Lodi Toady. I like the toad to suit on a backpack. Looks like you standing on business, right? Got to stand on business. Lodi Toady replying to good job, Turbo. What's going on in the chat here? This is yeah, Turbo will list everywhere. Coinbase is in the bag. Focus on Robinhood and Bybit. Yeah. I was expecting something from Bybit as soon as Coinbase made the announcement. I'm shocked they haven't said anything. I thought they would jump all over it, but we will see. Stars are lining for Turbo. Mog made Coinbase listing too. So grab a small bag. Cheers. What's up, Samson? I like the peace sign. Lodi Toady, you putting that work in. Well, it's cold outside, but the market's hot. BTC at 103. Turbo listed on Coinbase and almost back to 1 cent. Then jump to 10 cents. XRP's doing XRP things. Congratulations, everyone. Have a great day. Thanks, Lodi Toady. Turbocharged. So happy about the Coinbase listing. And Crypto Insight, we made it. We finally got the numbers we needed for IXFI. That's tricky to say. Growing Exchange supports 330 cryptocurrencies. Turbo, thank you, IFX Exchange. Turbo's over 45K, and BTM's going to get an exchange set up one day, just a matter of time. Turbo is the AI Robinhood. Let's go. Shout out to Miss Infinity. In 4 or 5 lightning fast hours, we got over 2K likes and met our end of the bargain. Time to spot list us on your exchange. And has anybody verified that they did spot list us? I don't even know what IXIFE is. But if they did, we need to go back and check, because if not, we need to rate them, right? We need to get focused and concentrate our energies as one unit, guys. Come together and be the Turbo Toad Army, the Turbo Toad Warriors. The revolution will not be televised. Let's go. It's Turbo Turn Up time. Remember, Turbo, Turbo, Turbo. That's weird. Remember, dance with who brought you to the party. Don't forget that. So this is Murat. Wait, is this the Murat? Must stop, Murat. Is this the? This can't be. I guess this is Murat. Oh wow, that's awesome. Wow. So Ethereum meme coins without a Binance listing. And why is Turbo on this list? That's weird. It's August. Okay, so Turbo's on here. I need to go back and check the rest of these, actually. That's weird. But shout out to Murat. I need to follow this guy. Actually, I think I am following. Am I? I am not. Shout out to Miss Infinity is everywhere on X. And this is the video from Turbinator. I think he finished this yesterday.
Enter the Turbonator. Turbo's Realm presents Turbonator, Clown Vodka Slayer of the Realm. Enter the Turbonator.
So shout out to the Turbinator in that video. Only reason I cut it short because I've been getting those copyright hits, so I got to change the music off of those. Am I missing something? Is Turbo going to be on Robinhood? Was that an announcement? It has not been announced yet. We are just flooding X trying to get them to say something, but nothing as of yet. Let's see here. So let's go to this video. This is trading sniper. He's talking about this Robinhood thing.
Let's talk about Turbo possibly getting listed on Robinhood. Now, listen, there is no current.
Okay, before we get into that, I have over 200 people viewing the video. I think this is the new all-time high. Thanks for your support. Thanks for like, sharing, and subscribing. Hit your main man up with a super chat. I'm about to go get some tea, but I'm going to play this video trying to figure out where my little volume thing is. Is it this guy? See if we can turn the volume up a little bit.
Info out there that will be, but what we have to do is follow the trend. Okay, what are we noticing with Robinhood? Robinhood has been listing meme coins lately. The latest one has been with. Previously, one of them was Pepe, right? But already has a few coins getting listed, a few meme coins getting listed, and I believe, especially when the market starts rising, more time, the market goes on, the more we're going to be pumping, the more volatile everything will be. I believe Robinhood is going to start going down the list of meme coins. And I believe Turbo has a great chance. Okay. We've seen how volatile Turbo can be. We see that Turbo is currently at 600 million market cap, right? When we look at something like WIF, it's at 3 billion. But we're not that far away. And I truly do believe Turbo will go at the minimum over 10 billion market cap this cycle. So if I believe that, then I believe there's a high probability of Turbo getting listed. And I genuinely think, for any company, it's a smart thing to do to start listing their cryptos on their exchanges, on their sites. It doesn't matter if they're mainly stock, or if they're mainly this or mainly that. They can make so much money from fees. They can build they can get customers, they can build trust, right? This is just so good for companies to grow, especially if there's gonna be more crypto adoption. So the things with trading, the things with crypto, you have to be 2 steps ahead. Okay, that is the reality. You have to be 2 steps ahead. Now prove it. Let's go to something like Turbo right now, right? If, let's say we bought Turbo now, it's not a bad price to buy Turbo at this point. It's not. It really isn't. But you're not getting it down here, okay? You're not getting it for these premium prices, and for sure you're not getting it down here in these extremely discounted prices. Right? If you're one of those people, you have to be 2 steps ahead. So you have to have some kind of knowledge. You have to be willing to take that risk. The more confirmation bias you need, the less profit you're going to get. And in fact, the riskier it gets. That's what people don't realize. So with that being said, I truly do believe
Too many emails. Don't know how to respond to them, right? This is the best hack for you. Here's Chatbot app, an app where you can
not WIF. Turbo will get listed on Robinhood because, like I said, WIF is it's over 3 billion market cap. Now, if it was at 30 billion market cap, I wouldn't even make this video, but it's not. So we have other coins like Pepe. Pepe surged a lot, and Pepe's much more. Pepe's at 8 billion market cap. But if we go, on this, we actually go back to the main page. We go on rankings. Let's go to memes. Right? We could see WIF is here. Bong, Floki, they're all here. Like, what's going to be next? What is going to be next? Let's see where Turbo is. Turbo is not that far off. And you got to remember, not every single one of these coins that's in line in order is necessarily going to be listed in front of Turbo, right? Because the thing is, we have a great community, and that is a fact. We are pretty much community-based token. The person that made Turbo is not really involved nowadays. So I believe that is a very, very good thing. That's a very good fundamental to have for a coin. And something like Peanut, it grew very fast, but I seriously doubt it's going to get listed on Robinhood. Popcat, like Notcoin, I don't really see this. I don't really see the Maximus one. Maybe Nero, maybe this one, right? No, not this one. Like I just don't see most of these, like Mudang. No, I feel like Turbo is like, out of all these coins, might be second or third in line. And I'm not even trying to be biased because I have nothing against any crypto. The point is for all of us to make so much money, right? That is the whole point at the end of the day. So I do believe we really could. Now, if we go back to Turbo, we can see Turbo also has a lot of volume, especially for, I'm not going to call it a small cap coin, but small, medium-ish cap coin. So we do have a lot of volume, and that's a great sign, exchanges like that, because they make a small amount of money on fees. So I believe, that's a key factor for Robinhood. We're also getting the Coinbase listing, correct? We're getting the Coinbase listing, which makes me think, there's only a few steps left. After Coinbase, there's not that many exchanges, and there's not so many places we get listed on, especially that are big, right? We're already on Binance. We're going to be on Coinbase. We're on OKX, BitGet, Kraken, KuCoin, Mexi, Gate.io, Crypto.com, right? There might be one or two that I'm missing on top of my head that might not be here. But overall, we have the big boys. We really do. So Robinhood, right? Robinhood is a possibility. Plus, you have to remember, if other companies see Robinhood is making so much money and they're having success with this, think about when the innovation is going to come, right? The innovation for Turbo, the innovation for crypto as a whole, right? Think about it. Other companies, other exchanges, other places are going to want to list coins because they're going to want to make the money off the fees. They're going to want to grow their brand. So we have to be 2 steps ahead. And I really, really do have a great feeling.
Yeah, thank you. Who is this? RP Anthony. Go ahead and hit that like button, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. And somebody tell me if the freaking super chat button is working. It turned off last time, so I was trying to see if it's still there because I haven't been getting any super chats. I don't even know if it's working or not, right? Somebody told me last time the button got turned off. It's all kind of stuff happening, right? I'm not sure if it's these guys or if it's the letter agencies or what, but I suspect there is a conspiracy that is trying to keep the Turbo Toad central office down, guys. It is overall, maybe it's my delusion, but somebody was telling me to be great, you gotta be delusional. You gotta believe when nobody else believes. You gotta be part of a community that is cult-like, that follows the Toad, right? For all you Turbo Toad warriors, Turbo Toad army, toads, frogs, and tadpoles, let's go. What is up, Sugar Lump Crypto? What's up, Mike? What is up, Doc McLovins? What's going on? And let's get back to the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And somebody, anybody, everybody, try to super chat. Is the super chat button even there? I don't even know if it's, I don't even see it actually. Dang it, they cut me off again. Is it even on here? That's weird. I don't see it myself. Maybe it's not on again. Bum. So let me know if you guys are able to see the super chat. Let's get back to this video. And we have hit a new all-time high. Dang it. That is weird. So look on the bottom right under chat. You should see that button between the like and the emojis. If you don't see it, maybe they turn me off again. God dang it. I don't see the super chat button. No worries. Let me see if I can find it.
Feeling about Turbo, especially if there's going to be as much adoption as we think, right? I believe this is just the start of greatness. I believe the next year is going to be the most diabolical year in terms of greatness. It's so great, it's diabolical, and I'm super, super excited. Now, let's just look at the chart. I'll give you guys a quick update, right? Also, something that these exchanges might like is there's a lot of data here, right? There's a lot of data. We know, like I said, the owner's not here. So we know, what's up. They're going to see what's up. They're going to see the structure. They're going to see who holds the coins. What's this? How's the community like? How many better meme coins are there? Potentially not that many above Turbo. Plus, I think Turbo is better than those, but those ones just have slightly more market cap. And yeah, I mean, I believe Turbo is going to be listed. Now, don't take my word, but I feel like there's a high chance, a 70-80% chance. I'm really, really excited. But anyways, let's break down Turbo. As you can see, a couple days ago, we retested the top. Now we're just kind of chilling. We retested off this key level over here, right? Said it was a good buying area to buy over here. I believe overall it is time for Turbo to be going up. We can see that we are entering order blocks, which I love order blocks, right? We're entering order blocks and we're just starting to go higher and higher. I believe the time is very, very limited. I know that time is very, very limited. So if you're looking to get into Turbo, no need to be nitpicky, right? No need to be nitpicky saying, oh, I want it to go here, here, here. Structure makes sense. Everything makes sense. At this current moment, nothing suggests at all that we're going to be going down here or even here. In fact, if it did, it would be a very, very scary sign. The market structure suggests that overall, this is going to be your last good buying opportunity, right? Because once we fly past this green box, right, we saw how there's so much resistance here. Once we fly here, the next area is to the top of Turbo. And after that is another massive rally. Ladies and gentlemen, that is it for this video. Hopefully
So shout out to the trading sniper for his analysis. And it's weird. The closer we get to 12:30, the weirder the internet gets. I don't know. Maybe you're right. Maybe
Welcome
someone
back
is
to a brand new video. Today we're talking about
jacking
Turbo
my
token.
internet and watching something at lunchtime. I don't understand why it just slows down at lunchtime, but it was fine early on. Turbo is currently 594.3 million market cap. Coin ranking actually has the best market cap. My freaking lip is itching. I know what your hand itches means and your nose, but why is my lip? I don't know. So we're at 622 for some reason. Live Coin Watch is always a little bit behind coin ranking. I'm not 100% sure why that is. What is this? Why is it showing? Oh, I know what that is. So let me close this out real quick. Okay, that was it. So this is, who is this? This is Bags Only, and he is talking about 50xing Turbo after the Coinbase listing. Are you watching on a phone or PC? Can't see it anywhere on my laptop screen. It should be in between the emoji button and the like button. I'm looking at it on a PC, and I also have a laptop that's on the side, right? I got two of them. It should be right by the comments. Did you subscribe to the channel? Maybe that's, you got to subscribe first. I don't know. But ba-dum-bum-bum-bum. This is bags only. Let me start this video. See what this other video is. What is this? Who is this?
Welcome back. TurboCoin is finally ready to take off. I know a lot of you have been sitting back.
Okay, let's run bags only first, and we'll come back to that guy.
Again, yesterday, big news. Coinbase put it on their roadmap as far as listing Turbo officially, and there was some profit selling yesterday. I think still up 21% over the last 7 days. This was literally around the time it got announced, jumped from like 0.007 to 0.009, and then fluctuated pretty much throughout the day. Again, this.
Thank you. Let me see if it's on. Yeah. Thank you, RP Astrology. I just realized what the RP Astrology for, I guess that's 10 euros. Thank you for your super chat. And thank you to confirm the super chat's working, guys. I just want to understand if it works or not, because somebody told me it wasn't working, then it started working, then it ain't. Thank you for all you do for Turbo. Thank you, RP. Thank you guys in the Turbo Toe community for supporting me and making me a community organizer, guys. You guys don't understand how great this is and how it makes me feel kind of important, right? Turbo made me into something that I really appreciate, and I thank you guys for, right? All this you guys are doing, helping us, because we're just trying to rebuild the community, right? I'm just trying to help you guys make money, because previously in the crypto market, I've lost a ton of money, right? It wasn't until I started messing with Ethereum and meme coins and small cap Solana actually started making money, and I'm still losing money hand and fist over deck screeners, Solana tokens, but I am holding strong in a Turbo. So I think Turbo will keep me from selling plasma. So shout out to that. Let's go. Thank you, RP Astrology, for that $12 in British pounds. Let's go, Turbo. And the weird thing, Turbo can do amazing things for all of us. Buy, hold, and believe. You're right. And actually, RP, that was in the Air Force. So we were actually in, I think it was Fairfield. There was a Air Force base close to London. All I remember about the UK is it rained a lot and it smelled like bacon. And for some reason, I like the bacon smell, but I know it rained a lot. And a friend of mine from the UK says it probably smells like bacon because they're cooking a lot of bacon and pork over there. But either way, thanks for that super chat. And let's get back to, who is this? Bags only.
This didn't mean, again, this wasn't like Coinbase actually listing it as far as
So there actually is an Air Force base in Fairfield. You're the only person that I've ever talked to that actually know what I'm talking about. Everybody I tell, they're always like, I'm not sure. I know there's Air Force bases, or I know they're around, but I don't know that anyone has ever confirmed it. So thank you, RP Astrology. I might even send back that super chat in what is that? In Turbo, right? I might even send that back to you because you're the only person I've ever heard to actually know about the freaking base. Oh my God. RAF fear. Oh wow. You're the only person, seriously. I've been talking to people for 40 years, and you're the only person that actually knows what I'm talking about. So big shout out there. And let me get back to this video. I mean, sorry guys, we're off topic a little bit.
It like being tradable on Coinbase, which I think is a big difference and a stark difference in the and again, a ton of news was going on yesterday in crypto space with Bitcoin going over 100,000. So again, the price action yesterday, I think people are again, I was reading people being bearish just based on the price action yesterday, which is crazy. I mean, we're talking about a coin that regardless is still up 4,800% over the last year, and was up 21% over the last month, and literally jumped, you know, from 007 to 009 off the news, and then, you know, consolidation through essentially throughout the rest of the day. Holder count continues to be extremely strong, 45,000 holders. A couple housekeeping things I wanted to talk about really quickly here. We're listing Turbo, but first we need you. 2,000 likes, Turbo gets listed. You can see this IX FEX Gen 3.0 exchange. Not really sure of how big of an exchange this is, but nonetheless, I think a lot of exchanges now, not tier ones, but like a lot of exchanges in general are trying to get a piece of the pie here when it comes to Turbo, because that community in the community essentially, including myself. I feel like I'm part of the community myself. I feel like anyone watching this video holding Turbo or want to become a holder, Turbo holder, you know, is the community. I think the community of Turbo is massive.
I actually really want to see this video, and for some reason, this is when the internet starts glitching. I don't know what's going on, guys. I don't understand why when certain videos come on, especially the ones I actually want to listen to, it starts acting weird. I don't know. Maybe it's the amount of time that the live has been running. I don't understand. Let's see if we can wait for a second. And if the stream is cool, my internet provider is Verizon with Frontier. And as you can see, early in the video was working fine, right? Then around close to 12, 25, 28, it started slowing down. So I don't know if it's the amount of people watching it or if it's the internet, but to Frontier Verizon's defense, there's something going on in the DFW area, right? The internet at my daughter's school went down. The internet at where they go for their golf lessons was down. The internet around town and around the area is going up and down lately. I don't know if it's something going on, if there are organizations that are messing with it, or if the competitors are messing with it, but there's definitely something glitchy happening with the internet. So let's see if we can get this video. We'll try it again, but it's weird because some videos do it and some videos don't. Let's see. Let's give this a try.
I think Turbo when it comes to meme coins, right?
Yeah, Michael, it is fiber. And on the speed test, it looks like it's all good. And then there's something else going on. I don't think it's the internet provider. It's something with the connection. It's up and down, right? Sometimes it's good and sometimes it's not. And I was about to upgrade, and then the freaking internet went down. Like, was down for like half a day, one day last couple weeks ago. So I don't know, but it's not a straightforward problem, right? It's up and down with a lot of glitchiness, right? It's not the internet connection. It's something else going on. I think they're upgrading and they're trying to get us to buy a bigger package or something. I don't know. But I was on the phone with these guys and they made some changes. Then it worked for a while and then it stopped and it worked and stopped and it worked. I don't know. I'm just running a speed test real quick. Let me see here. See if I can pull this down real quick. Make some changes. Okay, let's try this. You see, the internet's here, man. Look, the uploads 112, downloads 64.8, and usually it downloads over 100. So I don't know. Just getting fed up with these guys and this internet all the time, every time. But let's see if we can finish this video. See if we can. I want to hear the 50x thing.
Community is 50% of the overall attributing factors to a meme coin surviving, thriving, and growing, right, over an extended period of time. Real quick, you can see here on 99bitcoins.com, Turbo lands on Coinbase listing. Will Turbo beat Pepe as top frog coin? I think a lot of people yesterday were jumping to like those conclusions of comparing Turbo to Pepe. I would share kind of a comparison. I think I have before. But I would share a comparison on market cap of, but that website is currently down right now. Again, shout out to market cap of, by the way. Shout out to market cap of. I think it's a very underrated website. And again, I pretty much use market cap of in every video that I do make. But you can see here, what I want to talk about was MOG token or Moo Dang token. I think is the actual, what it's called, right? Moo Dang token, this coin here, it is tradable currently on Coinbase, right? So MOG coin, what's interesting, because I think when we're talking about Turbo, it got put on the roadmap, right, for an asset to be listed. And then now the question is like, when or how far away is Turbo from actually being listed, right? Like, is it going to happen by the end of the year, sometime this month? It could happen a few days from now. And the only like logical, I think, reasoning for why I personally think it's going to be by this time next week, if not earlier. I want to say the next 10 days. At the latest, I think, in my opinion, is when it's going to be listed, because you can see here, Coinbase announced, right? It put the same thing. It put MOG on the MOG coin to meme coin listing roadmap. Right on, I think this was December 3rd, right, at 8 p.m. And then now here we are, December 5th, and MOG coin is now tradable right? It's now tradable on Coinbase. So we're talking about 48 hours. And Memecoin's up 30%. And you can see here, since it kind of got listed really over the last day, it's up around 36%. So it absolutely, is flying here. You can see here up 20% after Coinbase announces listing, approaching 1 billion market cap, right? And this is MOG, right? MOG coin. Again, I'm not making this video on MOG, but just for reference, as far as market cap, trading volume, right? 189 million in trading volume last 24 hours. Right? Turbo's at 291 million, right? With half of the market cap of what MOG has right now. So, I mean, if you take that in and like kind of digest that information as far as like where Turbo is now, where it could go, the potential that Turbo has, and where the potential does have once, again, I think we're not going to, it's going to be no lower than a penny, I think, after it's like officially on Coinbase, like ready to be, bought and sold on Coinbase, in my opinion. Like truly, I think that's what's going to happen here. But again, let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about Turbo.
So what do you think about the listing? Do you think it will push it over a penny? And when do you think, right? I think that's the biggest question. When do you think the listing will happen?
Back. Turbo Coin is finally ready to take off. I know a lot of you have been sitting back patiently and waiting, but here's the news. The time is now, and I'm going to explain why. Now, Turbo Coin is still a top.
So this is VLC Network talking about Turbo is getting ready to explode. So let's see what he has here. For the ping, I'm not sure it said that on here. It's very generic. Speed test. Something about idle latency is 10. So I don't know what's going on or why. But you saw towards the middle of that video and towards the end, it wasn't as slow. So I don't know, man. I don't know if it's the video, if it's YouTube, or if it's StreamYard, or if it's other entities that don't want to see us keep making numbers, or if maybe it's too many people watching. I don't know. But let's go back to LVC Network.
20 meme coin in the market. So for those of you that are very concerned about the future of Turbo Coin, I personally wouldn't be, because it has managed to maintain its 20th ranked spot, and it's still at a very small market cap in comparison to the coins that are in the top 5, for example. It means when these projects like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Pepe, by the time these hit, let's say Dogecoin hits $100 billion market cap, Pepe ends up hitting 30 or so. We could see, Turbo enter that top 10 race. And by this point, it could be a 4, 5, maybe even 6 billion dollar market cap project. So the future does look bright. I wouldn't give up on it just yet if you have been holding this project. And if you look at the price action, the price action looks good as well. Price has held its ground, right? So we haven't seen price go below 0.00636675, right? We've held the ground at this area. It means if you've been buying at these lows, congratulations, you are in profit. And we shouldn't see price go below this area unless we see a catastrophic sell-off on the overall cryptocurrency market, which I'm personally not expecting. And for those of you that maybe missed out on some of these free buy signals I gave out on the low, I've been updating on Turbo and other meme coins at their lows. It means you're not subscribed to the channel, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any more of these updates, right? So subscribe right now because I will be updating on meme coins and projects like Turbo daily. Subscribe, perfect. Let's continue. So the price action right now looks incredible. It looks like we're going to see this down and then breakout, right? That's what we're expecting now. So this weekend, what are we expecting for Turbo? We're expecting a move. I'm not going to say a 40% move just yet. I do still think, it's early. It's early days. Momentum still needs to build. I think we'll see other meme coins break out first. But in the meantime, we could potentially see a 20, maybe even a 30% move on Turbo this weekend if we do see the meme coin market break out. And why should we see the meme coin market break out? Well, we've noticed a trend. We've noticed a strong correlation between Bitcoin's price action and the meme coin market. You'll notice that most meme coins have been flat since the first sell-off that we saw on Bitcoin, right? Bitcoins have remained flat, but as Bitcoin's now starting to make its move to the upside, meme coins should start their moves as well. So this is why we're so bullish this weekend, because we're expecting a breakout on Bitcoin. So short-term moves, I think about 25 to 30 short-term, and then we should eventually clear all-time highs. We're now only 50% away from all-time highs on Turbo coin. I still think this project can 10x this bull cycle from its current area, which means those that are holding this project now, those that have been buying at the lows, is a massive opportunity. Essentially, you are in a win-win situation. I said all the Turbo holders that have been buying since the start of the year, have been buying since 2023. I don't see how they lose. The biggest concern will be for new buyers and new traders, because ultimately you want to be in the meme coin that actually has the potential to break out and catch traction. Is that going to be Turbo? We're going to have to wait and see, but I do see at least a 10x on the table. That brings us above a $6 billion market cap. We moved to around 10 cents for Turbo, but of course we have to see what happens in the short term. Will momentum pick up? We're going to have to wait and see. But if you want to stay up to date with this, make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you join our free Telegram group below, because that's where I give out some of these free buy calls. I have other meme coins in that group, and I also have a video there where I show you how to make 100,000 in 1 month and 16 days. And also, I have just shared with the group how to not lose all your cryptocurrency this bull cycle, a step-by-step process of things to watch out for. So that's in the free Telegram group below. Click the link in my description right now. And remember, nothing that you see in this video is financial advice. So always make sure
So what's going on, Michael? We'll check that. I don't have a wire connection. It's wireless. For some reason, the laptop doesn't have a Cat5 port, which is weird. But hopefully we'll get a desktop soon. Looks like we're over 600 million market cap. What's up, Turbonauts? What's up, Texas Crypto? 20x minimum, 50x on the cards. And beyond of all stars align, they'll be aligning pretty well to date. So let's see here. Just checking out which has the better price. Is it CoinGecko or is it Live Coin Watch? Looks like CoinGecko's saying 632 million market cap. Coin ranking said 622 million market cap. Coin watch is saying 599. So I don't know what to think there. But I guess we'll run for 3 more minutes. Trying to see if there's any new news on Twitter real quick. Don't forget to sign up for the Black Tiger Miner Twitter page. We got the KRC token thing coming up at 1 p.m. actually. And this turbo video actually ran longer than I was anticipating, which was good. Nice live channel for Turbo. Thank you. Who is this? Kelso? Appreciate that. They stand out memes can do wonders. This bull run for me, no one has ever a better narrative than Turbo. You're right. Right. That's the main reason I picked up on it, because the narrative is just actually, I was watching the video and this guy Rick started crying. I'm like, what is this guy crying about? And then he went into Turbo. I was like, hook, got me, hook, line, and sinker. We are Turbo Toad Army. The Turbo Toad Revolution will not be televised. So let's see if there's any new news before we shut it down. Being on Binance, Coinbase, and over 110 exchanges, we are so placed to rake it in. You're right. Right. We are there. Just a matter of time. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and super chat. This is the Screaming Toad. Mog and Flock I listed on CB 3 days after roadmap. 3 days on Turbo will be Monday. Shout out to the Roaring Toady. Not even sure what this is saying. What is it? What is, I don't even know what this is. What is Turbo 1000? I don't know. Breakout complete, completing a pump to follow. Market's looking strong. Shout out to Crypto PBS. 50 days of calling Revolut. To add Turbo. What is this? Mentioning Turbo in the last. Wait, what is this? Mentioning Turbo in the last video, talking about alt meme coins. Turbo is getting too big to ignore. What is this? Let me repost this. Let's watch this real quick and then we'll shut it down.
That one added to the board. I agree.
And get my little trusty app. What is it? Browser extension to boost the volume a little bit. Let's see what this guy's talking about.
So you can see here, this is where most of the AI agents are here, down in the sub $100 million market cap zone. And they don't break out. They don't go big. All right. AI XBT is here. Right, you can see total number of followers versus market cap. Cerebro's over here. It's done pretty well. We've mentioned that one a few times here on the channel. AI16Z DAO. We've got that one added to the portfolio recently. I think it's a potential $1 billion market cap coin over on Solana. Turbo's done very well. Terminal of Truths, big follower number, big market cap. I'm not the biggest GOAT fan, to be honest, but obviously as being the one of the original, or if not the original, I guess, AI agent, it's got thesis. I agree. So you can see here, this is where most of the AI agents are here, down in the sub $100 million market cap zone. And they don't break out. They don't go big. All right. AI XBT is here. Right. You can see total number of followers versus market cap. Cerebro's over here. It's done pretty well. We've mentioned that one a few times here on the channel. AI16Z DAO. We've got that one added to the portfolio recently. I think it's a potential $1 billion market cap coin over on Solana. Turbo's done very well. Terminal of Truths, big follower number, big market cap. I'm not the biggest GOAT fan, to be honest, but obviously as being the.
So what is this? What is he looking at? Attention is sentiments. 4 of 5 sentiment meme coins. 100 million market cap. Have over 50K followers. That's weird. But yeah, I don't know who posted this. Who is this? This is Crypto Chan. And this is Lark Davis. Not sure about that, but hey, Turbo has broken out. I'm expecting a rally soon. Lodi Toady, still putting that work in. I see. GG. Stylish with a turbo bag. What is this? I don't know. Lodi Toady again. The Dodge. So we go into the next year. I would love to connect with more amazing communities. Let's go see what's together. Okay, guys, I gotta set it down. I gotta start this. What is this? KRC 20 live shortly. Thanks for joining. Thanks for sharing, subscribing. Thanks for making me hit a 235 online users. I think this is the most I've ever had so far. So big shout out to you guys, and big shout out to the Turbo Toe community. And thanks for your support. Thanks for keeping me live and relevant. And Turbo Toe turn up. Let's go. It's Turbo turn up time. Remember, turbo, turbo, turbo. Shout out to the Turbo Revolution, the Turbo Toad Army, the Turbo Toad Warriors, and Turbo Turn Up. Let's go. So it looks like we have a real spot now at 11:30 to 12:30. This is going to be our official Turbo Turn Up time, 11:30 to 12:30 CST, which is Texas time. I'm just making a note of that, actually. 11:30 CST. Write it down, take a picture, tell your friends. Turbo Turn Up time, 11:30 to 12:30 CST Texas time. But this is Black Tiger Miner signing out. Thanks for joining. Thanks for sharing, subscribing. Thanks for keeping us relevant. And as always, let's get back to the money, guys, and stay dangerous. Miner out.